last period we have seen nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones and also carboxylic acids. So today we are going to study methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. So in previous chapter, that is alcohol, phenols and ethers, we have already studied these methods from preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alcohol. So first method is by oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation means addition of oxygen. So here primary alcohol on oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate in presence of acid like nitric acid or sulfuric acid gives aldehydes. So primary alcohol on oxidation. Here nascent oxygen is produced from potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. So here removal of hydrogen takes place. So primary alcohol can be converted into aldehyde. So another example here, ethanol on oxidation in presence of oxidizing agent like potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate in nitric acid, they will produce nascent oxygen and then ethanol is converted into ethanol. So their common name is here ethyl alcohol and this is acetaldehyde and IUPAC name is ethanol. Here ethanol is oxidized into ethanol. Then secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on oxidation in presence of potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate in acid like nitric acid will produce ketone. Example is secondary propyl alcohol whose IUPAC name is propan 2OL. Here also nascent oxygen is produced, then it can be converted into acetone whose IUPAC name is propan 2ON. Propan 2ON. In this way we can convert primary and secondary alcohol into aldehydes and ketones respectively. So tertiary alcohol is difficult to oxidize. So second method is dehydrogenation of alcohol. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. So here primary alcohol in presence of copper is heated at temperature 573 Kelvin, then aldehyde is produced. So here example is ethanol. When ethanol is heated at about 573 Kelvin in presence of copper, then ethanol is converted into ethanol. Means ethyl alcohol can be converted into acetaldehyde. We will take example of secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol can be converted into ketone. So dehydrogenation of secondary alcohol. This hydrogen can be removed when heated with copper powder at about temperature 573 Kelvin, then it can be converted into ketone. Example is secondary propyl alcohol. Propan 2OL is heated in presence of copper powder at about 573 Kelvin temperature, then it can be converted into acetone whose IUPAC name is propan 2ON. Propan 2ON. Then tertiary alcohol also converted into alkene. So here tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol is heated in presence of copper powder at about 573 Kelvin, then it can be converted into alkyl. Now another method is ozonolysis. We have studied in 11th standard ozonolysis. Here addition of ozone to alkyl, then double bond of alkyl breaks. When ozone is added to alkene, here ethyl, in presence of carbon tetrachloride, then here ozonoid ring is formed. This double bond is breaks, and in this way that ozone oxygen atom are adjusted to form ozonoid ring, which on hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust will produce 2 molecules of formaldehyde, because this here HCHO, HCHO. So in this way 2 molecules of formaldehyde, and this one oxygen will combine with H2O to form side product, and also here like peroxide, and here zinc oxide is also formed. It is heated with zinc dust. Then another example is propene. When propene is ozonide, means here addition of propene on ozonolysis in presence of carbon tetrachloride will also produce propene ozonide. Here unsymmetrical aldehydes are obtained. So here mixture of acetaldehyde and formaldehyde is obtained. Here CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde, and here HCHO, that is formaldehyde, and this oxygen will combine with zinc to form zinc oxide. In this way there are different methods to prepare aldehydes and ketones. Thank you.